Based on Professor Rob Cross's 20 years researching more than 300 organizations, we now know how successful leaders apply network strategies to deliver 3 valuable outcomes: producing innovative solutions, executing work efficiently, and thriving at work. To help others learn and apply these strategies, we've made available 4 specific tools and resources. This video will cover the activity cards and exercises which introduce and apply the strategies in a simple, engaging, and fun way. Activity cards are designed to be applied in 4 types of activities in our GROW framework. Let's take a look at how the Reflect activity works. As part of a facilitated session, participants sort the deck of cards into 3 piles across the Innovate, Execute, and Thrive domain. Participants sort through the piles, picking the strategies that would drive the greatest value in each area. They turn the card over and review the signs that they have not been effectively applying the strategies in this area. Using the camera on your smartphone or tablet, the QR code on the card enables you to access the associated lesson directly from the Resource Center, where you can watch videos directly from Professor Cross. The Resource Center includes highlights from the research and explains strategies to improve these capabilities. The Resource Center also includes case studies selected from one of the largest and most comprehensive set of leadership interviews. To take action on the strategies you've explored, an action planning template ensures you can apply and track your new skills. And finally, the Resource Center also includes access to the original research. More about these resources can be found on the Connected Commons website, including additional videos that overview the resources and describe the 360 assessment and leadership workshop. Thanks for listening.